Hi guys, this is video about installing AmigaOS 4 with WHDLoad games. So we have in download this file and open it. Copy here. Open it. Unzip here. Close. We can delete this one and we have this files. This is readme file. Please check. And we have WinOA. Let's run WinOA. Okay. So this is the our WinOA emulator. This configuration. So as you see, there is AmigaOS 4 WHDLoad. We need to check. We need to check paths, and we need to load this one. Okay, we loaded already. So ROM file is okay. RAM is okay, already loaded. Hard drive. Hard drive, we need to correct it. Okay. So this is our computer. So we need to go. We need to go in way here, right? This is downloads one, this name of file, WinOA. We need to reach this file, okay? Copy. So this is our WHDLoad. Okay. Expansion. We need also correct this Cyberstorm PPC ROM. Okay. Go ROMs here. In ROMs, we need to reach Cyberstorm PPC. Okay. And RTG. Okay. Go back to configurations and we save. We need to save. Okay. So this configuration already saved. When we double click or start, AmigaOS will be opened. Start. So now we have AmigaOS. Okay. Let's double click it. Yes, it's opened. Now we can load the game. Where is all games? Oh, okay. Yes. So this is our screen. This is our screen. Uh, it depends on every computer that you use. Okay. Let's quit. So this is our screen. Uh, my computer is MSI powered one. It depends on which computer are you using. You need to correct according to your computer, according to your screen resolution. It's correcting from emulator to quick Control Alt and Q. So you see running away. This is our emulator. You need to check. Uh, you need to check for this emulator to correct screen resolutions according to your computer.